Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 15th to the 21st, and we have a very spectacular ad this week. Leading right into the week of Christmas, we have some terrific deals, and I'm pretty excited by this. If you guys can do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, helps out the channel, helps out that I don't end up in YouTube Siberia, although there's so much snow here, it looks like Siberia. I would really appreciate if you could take a second and like the video. Earlier this week, we got these two different boosters. It's always a your mileage may vary what you get. I got a 4-back when I buy 2 gift sets, and that's an online only exclusive. And then a 12-back when you spend 60. So we're getting warmer towards a good booster. And then just to show you the specifics, this is the first one. This is either online or in-store, and it's that window of the 15th to the 21st. And this is a lot better than a 75 get back 15, because that one is just like not so great. And then the other one, I believe it's either... I think in store they might have a $4 register reward when you buy 2 gift sets. We'll have to look for those tags. But this one, $4 back when you buy 2. So that is quite interesting. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 15th. So we are just previewing the ad with possible deals. All of the, coupons and all of the final pricing will be published on the 15th. Let's not forget that. Okay, so we are going to be looking at this first deal with these gift sets because that has my interest. And also this week, it's 25% off of these gift sets. So if there's been a couple that you wanted to grab to put under the tree or a little bit of Merry Christmas to me, obviously, you need your best friend loaded, which is the 4-back when you buy 2. Now, this one says online only, but I think in store they're also printing, so we're going to have to test that out or look for the tags on Sunday. So IBOTTA has $7 back when you buy 2 of these selected Old Spice, and Walgreens is one of the store. And this rebate for me doesn't exclude the use of coupons, but I'm a very light IBOTTA user, so they tend to pull that verbiage. So this is what we have here, a $3 digital on one of these Old Spice gift sets. So just some quick math here. 2 of the sets at $14.99 is $29.98. Subtracting 25% on both, that's $7.49 melting off. $3 digital also melting off. So you're going to pay $19.49. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $7 back. So if you're doing this as a curbside pickup to do the online thing, you absolutely will have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, so you get that receipt for IBOTTA. So the final price point here, guys, is $8.49 for the 2 or $4.24 per, which is a very good deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And what kind of coupon code, if we're doing this as a curbside pickup, can we use to get extra savings as well? So we'll have to investigate that possibly on a Monday. Theory. I think that a lot of people just don't have the cash to be at Walgreens going down that Christmas aisle and tap dancing and filling up a cart of stuff. So they've offered 33% off the week before Christmas on pretty much everything in that Christmas aisle to tempt people to come and get items. It's not exactly 50% off, which will be on the 26th, but it's something. It is something. Now, Ghirardelli is 33% off, so I'm assuming that all of the products will go back to their original sticker price, not a sales price. So the Ghirardelli is $5.99 per, and this is the holiday flavors, if that's your thing. We have $1 off too on the holiday bag, so make sure you have this guy loaded. I never used mine, so it was valid from like November the 10th to the 25th, so load it. And I think there's another Ghirardelli one, so double, triple check if it's attaching to the holiday ones. IBOTTA is also giving back $1 back when you buy 1. And this is just a fantastic rebate. Just make sure you have it loaded starting Sunday morning moving forward. So grabbing 2 of these bags, it would be $11.98 at $5.99 a pop, guys. And then subtracting that 33%, that's $3.95 melting off the $1 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $7.03. get $2 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $5.03 for the 2 or $2.51 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster to get these chocolates with that cocoa shortage for $2.51. This is the cheapest I've seen anything, and definitely I do like little gift baskets for family and friends and neighbors. So I need to be getting this on Sunday for $2.51. Like, oh my gosh. Also included is a lot of these plushies or these like knockoff Squishamills, and some of them are Squishamills. So if a toy is $9.99, and a lot of these smaller plushies are, at 33% off, it'll be $6.70. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, you're paying $1.70 for a really nice gift. And what kid doesn't like these squishies? Now we have possibly my favorite deal, and if a digital coupon shows up for this $24.99 Braun, I'm going to do a Snoopy dance that's never been seen ever. But currently we don't have a coupon for this guy. $10 reward when you purchase one of these. So grabbing one of these for $24.99, pay it, get back a $10 register reward, making it $14.99. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We got to look for the word spend, and I don't see it there. And even with these clippers, if you're like, I don't even need this, if you have a dog or cat that sometimes needs to be shaved down, we have a very long-haired cat. She just We found her a couple years ago in our backyard, and she's just a long-haired, like Maine Coon crazy cat. Might be a Wolverine, I don't know. But we need to shave her down sometimes too, and going to the groomers is impossible. She's got a pretty salty personality. So having this extra set of clippers in the house, because I'm not going to use my husband's clippers, it really helps out. So if you have pets, you never know when you might need these. For those of you that are curious, here's a little Miss Catitude. So whenever that razor is $14.99, I always grab one to have a backup or to have an extra. I currently have one just for her. And sometimes when she gets those little mats, because she's a very long-haired cat, I'd rather take care of it at home than bring her to the groomer. She's gone to the groomer before. It was a whole mess. So it's just easier as the owner just to do it at home. And so $14.99 is a spectacular price for trimmers, even for your pets. Okay, moving this along, guys, we have the Nexus and Shea Moisture, or Shea Moisture Hair Care. Hair care, hair care, hair care. Pay attention. Earn $10 when you spend $20, so that is a spend offer, and we're going to have a $5 coupon. So the cheaper of the two is the Shea Moisture Hair Care. So we're going to grab two for exactly $20. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $15 with your debit card, as it's a spend offer. You're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it 5 for 2 or $2.50 per shampoo, which is a really good price point. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay, as it is a spend offer. And lots of this shampoo is on clearance. You possibly can maybe grab 3 if it's tagged with the 10 back when you spend 20. Look for those tags. Gillette, Venus, $9.99. $10 reward when you buy 2. As the word buy is in there, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash. Roll it to earn that register reward. Are you confused yet? So grabbing both a men and a women's razor at $9.99, that's $19.98. Typically these razors have $3 digitals attaching, so we'll have to double triple check on Sunday, are they there? So subtracting $6, it'll be $13.98. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per razor. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And this is a spectacular stocking stuffer for $1.99, and a right item to fit into a stocking as well. And now we're looking at a 50-cent Colgate. So $2 coupon. Typically when they have that, it's $2 off of a paste and $2 off of a brush. We'll have to double check that one on Sunday as well, class. So we're going to look for 2 products priced at $4 a pop. So that's 8. So probably a brush and a paste. Subtracting our $2 coupons, that's $4 melting off. You're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another dental care deal, not as good as Colgate, but if Crest is your thing, we have a 4F2 digital coupon. Maybe get some picks or floss or something different. We're looking for the $5 items, so grabbing 2 of them, that's going to be exactly $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I would absolutely look on Ibotta if you're going to pick up toothpaste. I know there's a couple rebates for selected toothpaste. Possibly you can make this a freebie if you might have some rebates. But definitely root around there. It might be worth your time to get a freebie going. And then the Schick at $9.99 and $14.99. $10 reward when you spend 20. The word spend is in there, so you have to pay for the balance with $4 digital coupon. So I'm assuming the $9.99 and $14.99 you're going to have a digital coupon for both, so that's $8 off. So grabbing one of each, that'll be $24.98, subtracting the two $2 coupons, so probably a man and a woman razor, or a refill, the cartridge refill and a razor. You'll pay $16.98 for the balance, get back $10 in Walgreens cash or a register reward, whatever it is. You got to pay debit for the balance though, because it is a spend offer, but it's $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. And remember, do not use Walgreens cash as it's a spend offer. Let's look at some very quick honorable mentions before I run off into the big sunset. We have 3 for $11.99 on the Canada Dry Dr. Pepper with $1 off 3 digital coupons, so it'll be 3 for $10.99. Perfect stocking stuffer for $1.78. The Nice brand, Walgreens brand for the various nuts, chocolate covered pretzels. Wow. The Nice brand, again, a Walgreens brand, 3 for $9 on these 24 count of water. Fantastic price point, $3 for water. And to go with all that soda, we have a BOGO free on the Lay's potato chips. I believe we have a 4 off of 5, and there's a similar rebate on Checkout 51. We'll have to investigate that one next week to stock you up with soda and chips for Christmas for your holiday hosting. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.